We have a project car for sale, a 1965 Corvair Monza convertible, and it needs some rust help here. It appears to all be there. I'm helping a friend sell it. It's got a modified engine. The engine does turn. It was rebuilt and then never run after the rebuild. The battery tray is still in decent shape. The front end is in pretty decent shape. The bumpers appear to be pretty straight. Everything seems to turn. There are some dents in addition to the rust that need to be dealt with. The top is brand new. It just hasn't been installed. The trunk, we couldn't get it open, so I don't know what's in there. I'm assuming that gauges and items that are missing are in the trunk. We're still looking for the key. It is a manual top, a 4-speed, 110. These are the seats. It's missing the back to one of them, but we think that's in the trunk. The engine lid is fine. Radio antenna is there. Wiper blades are there. Again, looking back at some of the dents that need to be dealt with. Appears to be original paint. All the trim appears to be there. The door gaps are straight. There's a little bit of rust there at the front edge of the rear fender. A little bit more here at the trailing edge of the front fenders. And so someone will need to put some panels in this, some patch panels. The doors, leading edge, have got some, but you can see here the trunk and the rest of the floors are all solid. The rockers appear to be fairly solid, some rust, but the pinch welds are all in good shape. Some rust in normal places here in the front around the blinker lenses. The windshield opening is solid. So this was somebody's project that unfortunately never finished before they passed away. This is the front leading edge of the bow. You can see the hardware for the convertible top has been installed, just not the top hasn't been stapled down. It also comes with a Clark's finned oil pan and a gasket. It comes with the tonneau cover that goes over top of the convertible. Here you can see some of the area in the door jamb that needs to be fixed on both sides. One is worse than the other. This is the better looking side. Hopefully you're interested. You can contact me through the comments.